Most customers don't know this, but hard start kits can help your system out. All right, guys, starting off, hard start kit. We're gonna be installing it on this train system. It's a 13-year-old unit. Alright guys, this is the magic of a hard start kit. Let's check out the inrush amps without the hard start kit. Ready? $140. Let's throw the hard start kit on and see the difference. Alright guys, we got everything hooked up, everything wired correctly. Let's check it out, see what it looks like now. There it goes. Dropped it significantly. Easy start, baby. Hit you one.